What's up, y'all? We're back at it again. It's been the past 3 or so months, I've been working 2 jobs. I've been working my full-time job as a youth director in San Francisco, and I've been working at a game shop, a board game, card game shop, trying to pay off debt. A friend of mine who owns a coffee company, Proyecto Diaz, located in San Leandro, California, they had an event and they needed some help, so I helped them out, and I earned $129 and something cents. How can I use that money to make more money, right? So that I can pay off more debt. Been getting into Warhammer lately, painting, building, playing, but the building and painting aspect of it, it intrigued me the most because of the potential of making money. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna head to the shop right now. I'm gonna purchase one Warhammer thing. And from there, I'm gonna try to build, paint, flip. That's the goal. Build, paint, flip, let's get it. All right, y'all, we're here. We've made it, but we're gonna head in real quick. They do require masks. So, and we're in it. Hey, what's up, bro? Jay for the Legacy event. All right, so here we are. I don't know exactly what we're gonna get. We're gonna start small though. Maybe that. That's not starting small, that's for sure. We just wanted something that's quickly able to just be quickly built and then posted online. So, okay, so we have $100 budget, all right? Now, I did lower the price down to $100 because I think it's a lot easier for people to start off at 100 instead of like 130. So we're just gonna start off at 100 because a lot of people could sell stuff. Y'all can sell stuff to get to 100, all right? It's possible. I know it's possible. Okay, as I'm waiting and thinking, we're gonna do something, okay? We're gonna do something. We're gonna gamble a little bit. My friend, I would like to purchase a Magic the Gathering pack. No, a Pokemon pack. I feel like Pokemon might be easier to make money on. Let's see. What's the newest set on Pokemon right now? Machamp. Is Machamp worth anything? No, of course not. Of course Machamp's not worth anything. Dang it. We didn't make our money. Oh, wait, is that something? That's worth something. Huh? The Radiant? Yeah. I got a Radiant Hulucha. That has to be worth something, right? Radiant Hulucha? Where my fascination for Warhammer started. There's different pieces in here that I can sell off separately. Like this dude, can sell those separate, sell that separate, sell these separate. All right, so I don't know the value just yet, but I know it's at least double, if not triple. Another thing that I do have to take into consideration is that I do need the paints and the brushes, technically, I already have all that at home. But I just don't know if I calculate that into this cost, into this thing that's happening, which doesn't make sense to me to do that. But I might do it for the sake of the video, for the integrity of this video. We're gonna be buying this Recruit Edition Warhammer set. It comes with about 20 models, okay? And I can sell the 20 models separately to try to make more money. This costs, after tax, $36. Then I was just gonna use my own equipment, but for the integrity of this video, we're gonna purchase this, okay? This right here is a Warhammer, it's a paint set tool thing, so it's gonna be able to cut, paint, do all that stuff, okay? This is 40 something dollars, but after my discount, everything should be less than $80, okay? Which leaves $17 left in our budget, just in case this doesn't work out. The beauty of this though, is if it does work out, we have paint. All we have to do is buy models. Yeah, okay. Boom, 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 boom. This is our money-making machine. We buy it, paint it, sell it, all right? Or something similar to that. All right, y'all, so we just found out the damage for these two, and it is?
$67.08.
Okay, $67.08, all right? So I'm gonna round down on that, so $67, all right? And then we spent $3 on the Pokemon pack, which is $70. So it leaves us $30 left over, which is actually really great, because if this doesn't work out, we have $30 to play with. Yeah, let's do it. We got the goods, okay? Now what's gonna happen is we have to build, then paint, and then post, and then hopefully sell. So I got work to do. And we do have $30 left over. So now I'm just gonna, as I'm painting and building, I'm gonna scheme on what else to build or just flip, make money on. Yeah, all right.